welcome to day 2 of the Livewire Laravel View Advent Calendar, where we talk about everything that's new in the Laravel ecosystem and all the interesting things going on with it. So a new feature recently added to Livewire is the wire current, which allows you to check if you're on the current page or not. So for example, in an anchor tag, we can go ahead and say wire current, and we can then go ahead and apply font bold, text sync, for example, or you could apply other effects. You can also go ahead and make sure that it matches exactly, or that it is straight. And by default, wire current will remove trailing slashes from its comparison. If you like to disable this behavior and force a struct path string comparison, you can append the strict modifier. And you also need to make sure you have all of this sorted down here. But essentially, one of the nice features of Livewire 3 is the ability to just use wire current, which will save you a fair bit of time and clean up your code instead of having to check if the root matches each other with a PHP function. So this is a new and nice feature we can use inside Livewire 3. And let's take a look in the editor on how exactly we could apply that. So I've gone ahead into my Twitter clone series here, and I have this sidebar, and we have in here a bunch of links. And essentially we have an active one in here. So we could essentially go ahead and get rid of this active one, which check if it's the current one, and head into sidebar item, which is where we have it. And instead of using active in here, we could just go ahead and say wire current. And then go ahead and make sure we apply the active one. Just like that. And if we go ahead and look in the browser again, you can see that we can just go ahead and apply it exactly like this, and it seems like that the Laravel IDEA tool hasn't fully got support for adding this in. So we also have to make sure that you add in the equal sign here and then the quotation marks, but that's basically it, and we could then go ahead and get rid of this. Now, I'm not going to do this right now and update the code for the Twitter clone series. This is just an example of how we could do it. But what we would then be able to do is just go ahead and get rid of this. And then go ahead and get rid of this active part here. So that's essentially wire current and how we could use it. Thank you very much for watching this Laravel Advent Calendar series. I'll see you in the next video.